Hey, gals and guys, it's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I am calling it on this one for Sticker.co. I was going to give it a year, and I don't think I'm even remotely interested in giving it a year. So let's kind of explore what's going on with that. So here's the account up. I actually didn't even bother doing this last month. So this is actually two months in one. We're doing commissions for July and August. And I just submitted my picture I submitted my picture for September, which was okay. And at school, welcome, go back to school, kids and parents dealing with it and teachers. I don't think they're really Zooming this year. I think all that stuff might be over with as far as we know for the most part, I guess. But anyways, appropriate word for the month is school. And that's not really that big a deal. But anyways, that was the word for September. So you get paid for August. So what I'm trying to explain is you do your picture for 1 month and get paid for the previous month just to prove that you still have the sticker on your car. So for July, as you can see right here, I don't even remember what July's word was. That was pool. Okay, fair enough. All right, so pool and school. So as you can see, $13.77 commission for the month of July, $13.59 for the month of August. Which, but again, you're paying $9.99 each month for the honor, for the privilege of having that sticker on your car. So what are you making? $4 or $5 each month? I don't know. It was a fun, while it lasted. It was a lark. I never thought I was going to make mega money on this, and I didn't do this for the money in the first place. So let me shrink my dumbass, or at least move it. Move my dumbass over there, and you'll see right here the full amount I've paid into this whole thing is $120.66, and the commission to date, which includes all these 5 months, is, let's make sure I got them all there. Yep, I got them all there. That's $69.39, and that is a grand total of a negative in the red, $51.27. So it's going to take me, you have $5 a month, $5 a month. So what's that going to be? 10 more months until I get, until I get my money back. So you're talking what? Next June. Yeah, no, that's okay. I'll be on to bigger and better things. That was fun while it lasted. I might do it another month or two. We'll see what happens. I was half tempted to get another sticker for something else to see how that worked out, but I don't think anyone else has makes a heck of a lot of money off. It's kind of silly, the whole thing. Really, it's a major, big ass waste of time. And what I can see happening is a lot of people around the time that I'm starting to give up. And then that negative 51.27 goes to the people at sticker.co, and they pocket that. So if they get suckers in there, think they're going to make a little passive income, which it's really not passive income. You're doing work. You have to write the word on the piece of paper and go out to your car and photograph it and upload it and make sure it gets there. And it's all one. It's not even remotely worth it. It's pretty dumb. So let's go over here. And something I wanted to point out before, and I do have to amend my last video on this, is as far as I mentioned, all you could do was gift cards. I was incorrect on that, so I amend that, and I apologize. You can actually cash out, which I did. I did cash out. And if I'm still logged into my PayPal, which I am, you can see here, payment from Sticker LLC. So it's $55.80 back into my account, which is cool. So you are able to cash out on the front. Let me get back there on the dashboard. Oop, I got to log back in. So you go to my account, and there's the cash out, and that's this month's commission. I always thought you just go to the gift cards, and it was just gift cards. But I'm incorrect. I mean, you can go get gift cards if you want, but you can cash out. So I was incorrect on that. I wanted to make that amendment. Beyond that, what can I say, gals and guys? It's really not worth the effort. I give a big in the pooper on this one. I don't know. It's just not worth it. It's not worth your time. Go do something that's more conducive for your time. I'm going to try to find something else out there that's semi-similar that I can do every month and see how that works out. Just to do, just to have something go on each month, just to make a video on and do case studies and reviews and stuff like that. Okay, gals and guys, I guess that's it. I think I ran this into the crapper as much as I could. Give this to you one more time. Please subscribe. Thumbs up if you could, if you like this video, if this helped you at all. Don't do this. Give me a thumbs up and don't do this. Share this to people who are thinking about doing it. It's a total freaking waste of time. Go Uber, go Instacart, go do something like that. If you have a vehicle, you make a hell of a lot more money. I did Instacart I do Instacart every 2 weeks. I give the person $20 for going to Instacart. The store is probably 5 miles that way. I just do it because I don't want to deal with people, and they get it to me from order to getting it to me in about an hour. So $20 for that, opposed to $5 for having some stupid sticker on your car. All right, gals and guys, that's it. Hit the bell below too if you could. Get my updates. I would appreciate it. Got a lot of content coming. I've thought about what I wanted to do, and I'll discuss this in a different video. I thought what I wanted to do for the new year, because I'm on this channel is almost a year old now. So I want to go back, review what worked, what didn't work, and how I want to update it and make the videos a little bit different. So, and that's it. That's it. All right. Goodbye. Have a good day. Bye now. It's nice seeing you. I'll see you next video now. Bye. Bye. I appreciate you.